Hey guys, welcome back to Frosty Gaming. Today we're going to be doing a sub 1,000, not 100,000, sub $1,000 gaming PC build guide for you guys. I'm not, obviously you guys, if you've watched my previous videos, you know, I know that you guys really like these types of videos, and some of you guys actually buy the parts. I've had a few of you actually buy the builds and build it. If you guys want me to build it, you can send me the money to build. I'm certified in building. Well, not technically certified, but I know how to build a computer, and I'll even download some extra software for you guys and whatnot. But just kind of a side joke type thing. If you want me to build a computer for you, I will build it, and your computer will be featured in my videos, so you get to show your friends, hey, this YouTuber built my computer, so that'd be kind of cool. But anyways, guys, this is going to be a sub I almost said 100,000 again. This is going to be a sub $1,000 computer build. Now this includes the operating system. It does not include the keyboard, mouse, or monitors, or any kind of peripherals or anything like that. So just keep that in mind, bear that in mind. I already assume that you guys have things like that, so that's why I don't really include it. And plus, it's like almost $100 below. It's like 900 and some dollars. That it's just shy of, it's just over $900, so you guys can probably fit something like a keyboard mouse in this build if you wanted to. But let's go ahead and get into the build. And also, guys, leave a like on this video if you enjoy this type of content, and also leave a comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that, or if you want to buy anything behind me and parts that I solidly recommend. Visit the description down below for all of those links. So for the CPU, we went with the Core i5-6600K. It's running at 3.5 gigahertz. It's a great CPU for gaming. Also, the i7 is as well. This is a 4-core running at $204, and it also, I don't think I put it in the pictures or in the. I'm going to put it in the description though as well. But a Zalman CPU cooler, because these CPUs, this brand, this type, don't, the i5s and i7s. These new ones don't come with their own cooler, so you have to buy your own cooler. So I'm going to link a Zalman gaming cooler for you down below. Now moving on to the motherboard, we have the Asus H170 Pro. This is an LGA 1151 chipset. It's compatible with Crossfire and SLI. I trust it because it's a trusted brand, Asus of course, and it's only running 110 bucks right now. So right now you can get a Z170 platform for under $1,000, and it's going to be great for gaming. Are you kidding me? We're not even halfway through 2016 yet, and you can get a Z170 platform that's a solid, good platform, an i5, and when you see the graphics card when we get to it, oh my god, man. You guys might want to buy this. This is, unless you're, I mean, if you're desperately looking for an upgrade, go ahead and do so. But moving on to the RAM, we got G-Skill RIPJAWS 5 series, or V series. Now these are two 4GB sticks, 2400 megahertz, DDR4, and it's running 36 bucks for the pair right now. I remember when DDR4 was like 400 bucks. Solid $400, $300 sometimes. Some of it's even $1,000 still. $36 for 8 gigs, two 4GB sticks of DDR4, 2400 megahertz. That almost makes me mad because I bought my 32 gigs or 16 gigs or whatever it is. I can't always remember. But I think it's 16 gigs of DDR4 Dominator Platinum at 3000 megahertz. I bought that for almost $200. I'm jelly of you. Anyways, so moving on to the hard drive, we have a Western Digital Caviar Black, 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM. $85.50. I know that price may seem a little steep to you guys. If you want to choose a different hard drive, you can. Just add all these things to your cart on Amazon and just click order, and one and done, and you're good. If you have buy now with one click, even better. Anyways, so moving on to the GPU. This is the heart of everything right here. The Core i5 and the GPU. MSI GTX 970 Twin Frozr 5 Edition, 4GB card running off of GDDR5 VRAM, and it's only running 319 right now. That's an insanely good price on an MSI GTX Twin Frozr Edition graphics card. I cannot say enough about it, guys. That's huge. That card launched at $599, I believe. $599 or $549. It launched at that price. Weird. Okay, so for the case, we have the CORSAIR SPEC 01 Red Edition ATX Mid-Tower, $49. 49 bucks for this case. It's a decent looking case. Like I said, guys, almost everything in here except for the CPU, motherboard, GPU combos and the DDR4. You can change pretty much anything you want in these. If you want to get a little bit more expensive case, maybe you want to get a full tower or something like that for 99 bucks, you're still going to be below that $1,000 range, excluding keyboard and mouse and everything. But anyways, moving on to one of the last pieces, we have the power supply. This is a Corsair Builder CX500. It's a 500 watt, 80 plus bronze certified. It's not modular, and it's 56 bucks. Obviously, for this price, you're not going to find a modular power supply pretty much anywhere. Corsair, I trust Corsair quite heavily. Corsair and Asus are two brands that I trust very heavily in all of my builds and everything, and all my computer time. They just never fail. I don't know what it is. I don't know what to say about it. NZXT is another brand that makes really good parts. MSI is getting up there. They used to be kind of shady back in the day, but now they're really good. Now for the last, we have obviously the operating system. Windows 10 Home 64-bit running at 89 bucks. So that's a really solid build for you guys. A really solid platform. I can't say enough about it. And Z170 platform with a 970 4GB card for under $1,000. Under $1,000. Wow. If you don't build it, I will. I'm just kidding. I'll probably buy a laptop with that money and just kind of take it with me when I'm traveling. But also, guys, if you want to see some pictures and stuff like that of the Amish communities while I'm out there, and upload it to YouTube if you would like, if they allow that kind of thing. Obviously, I know you can't take a picture with them face on. They can't be smiling, that whole thing. But if you guys want to see how everything is made, some of their furniture and everything, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try to put together a little bit of a collage with some music for you guys. But anyways, sub $1,000 Z170 platform build. I don't think anyone else has done this yet, but I guess I really haven't checked. It took me forever to put this together. But anyways, guys, I would appreciate it if you leave a like and a comment on the video. Also subscribe if you don't want to miss any of the future content, and we'll see you guys in the future. Stay frosty.